Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Priyanka, Assistant Professor in Nursing Department of RPMS. Today we will discuss about silent features of the Act. In our previous topic, we discussed about the Mental Health Act, and now we will discuss their features. So first, there is a Chapter 10 and Section 9A who will come in Mental Health Act. Chapter 1. It contains preliminary information. Some definition include in this are psychiatric hospital, nursing homes, mental ill persons, psychiatric and reception order. Outdated definitions are changed based on the new concept and knowledge. Old terms and new terms. In old terms, lunatic asylum, criminal, lunatics, mentally ill person, psychiatric hospital and mentally ill prisoners. Chapter 2. Establishment of central and state authorities for regulation and coordination of mental health services. Chapter 3. It provides guidelines for establishment and maintenance of psychiatric hospital and nursing home. Chapter 4. It deals with the procedure for admissions and detention in psychiatric hospital and nursing homes. Chapter 5. It deals with the procedure to be followed for discharge of mentally ill persons. Voluntarily discharge. Medical officer in charge of the psychiatric hospital on recommendation from two medical practitioners, preferably a psychiatrist, and can issues direction for discharge of the patient. Chapter 6. It deals with the judicial inquiry regarding mentally ill persons possessing property, their custody and management of the property. Chapter 7. It deals with the ways and means to meet the cost of maintenance of mentally ill persons detained in psychiatric hospital and nursing home. Chapter 8. It is the latest addition to the Act that contains a very novel and explicit provisions for protection of human rights of mentally ill persons. Chapter 9. It deals with the procedure followed for the establishment and maintenance of psychiatric hospital and nursing homes. Chapter 10. It deals with the clarification pertaining to certain procedure to be followed by medical officer in charge of the psychiatric hospital and nursing homes. So in this we discussed about the chapters who will come and who occurred in the Mental Health Act. Now next we discussed about the type of admission. Before going to type of admission, we discussed in our previous chapters. First is chapter 1, in which it contains preliminary information. Some definition included in this are psychiatric hospital, nursing homes. के जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर था उसमें साइकेट्रिक हॉस्पिटल और नर्सिंग होम आते हैं और मेंटली इल पर्सन साइकेट्रिस्ट होगा और रिसेप्शन ऑर्डर आएंगे. ठीक है, उन्होंने इस चीज को दो टर्म्स में डिवाइड किया है, ओल्ड एंड न्यू टर्म्स. उसके बाद आते हैं चैप्टर 2 जिसमें क्या होता है सेंट्रल स्टेट अथॉरिटी की रेगुलेशंस आती हैं. ठीक है, और कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ सर्विसेज आता है. चैप्टर 3 में आता है गाइडलाइंस फॉर द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ साइकेट्रिक हॉस्पिटल की कैसे हम मेंटल हेल्थ हॉस्पिटल्स को मेंटेन कर सकते हैं. चैप्टर 4 आता है प्रोसीजर और एडमिशंस कैसे करवाए जाते हैं. और चैप्टर 5 में आता है डिस्चार्ज. एंड चैप्टर 6 में आता है हमारा मेंटली इल पेशेंट्स की इंक्वायरी, उनकी प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में, कस्टडी किसके हाथ में है ये. एंड चैप्टर 7 में आता है कॉस्ट ऑफ मेंटेनेंस. और उसके बाद चैप्टर 8 ठीक है कंटेन अ वेरी नोबल एक्सप्लिसिट प्रोसीजर फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट्स को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. चैप्टर 9 आता है हमारा Maintenance of psychiatric hospital. Again, chapter 10 last clarification pertaining to the certain procedure to be followed by the medical officer in charge. So this is all about today's topic. I hope you understood about these chapters. Thank you so much.